Oh hey, how's it going? I'm out here in the jungles of Chiang Mai, otherwise known as my back garden. I'm gathering up all the ingredients that we're going to need to cook jungle curry. All I need now is the duck. Now if you'll excuse me, I've got one in my vision. So here's all the ingredients that we're going to need for the Thai jungle curry. 2 duck breasts. I had to get these from the supermarket in the end. 100 grams of baby sweetcorn cut into 1-inch pieces. 100 grams of Thai Pea aubergines. 2 tablespoons of oil for cooking. 200 ml of chicken stock. 200 grams of green beans cut into 1-inch pieces. 2 tablespoons of fresh green peppercorn. 2 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste. 3 kaffir lime leaves. 1 teaspoon of palm sugar grated. 1½ tablespoons of fish sauce. 1-inch piece of galangal grated. And a few Thai basil leaves. Slice the duck breast into thin slices. This is about the thickness that you're after. Heat up the oil in a pan or wok and add in the curry paste and fry it for a few seconds until the aroma is released. Add in the duck and fish sauce and stir fry until well combined. Pour in the stock and bring to the boil. Then add the sugar, sweet corn, aubergines, beans, galangal, lime leaves, basil and peppercorns. Put the lid on the pan and simmer for about 40 minutes or until the duck and vegetables are tender. So that's how you make Thai jungle curry with duck. This dish originates from the northern, more mountainous part of Thailand, where coconut trees find it hard to grow. This is the reason this curry does not contain any coconut milk like those found in curries from the southern part of Thailand. Thank you for watching and see you next time.